Hello, everybody. It has been a minute. I just wanted to get on here and create a video for you guys because I've been getting a lot of questions about Cook Like a Jamaican, people wondering where we are, are we posting, will we be posting more recipes? And I just wanted to give you an update, and answer just a couple questions, starting with how is your mother doing? My mother is good. Mama Fay is good. She recently celebrated a birthday and she's doing really well. However, she did have to deal with some health issues recently, earlier this year. And as you know, the pandemic has been difficult on everyone, so I hope that you guys are all really good. But she's recovered and recovering still, but much better than she was. And so she's in great spirits, and we did a really nice birthday celebration on the weekend. And so I'm going to share some videos. So make sure to watch till the end of this video so that you can see how well Mom is doing. She's doing really good. Also, another thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to be announcing a project. So one of the things that we've been doing over the past year has been working on a project that we're really excited about. And that project is going to launch really soon. It's launching this month, December. Happy December, everyone, December 1st. So it launches this month, and we're going to be doing a bunch of videos starting tomorrow. So make sure to check us out tomorrow, where we will be talking about this project that we've been working on. We love it. We hope that it will be something that will really help you guys cook Jamaican and just so much more, and so much in a more modern way, and we'll explain it all. Just watch the videos. So the first one's tomorrow. Please log in, but until then, make sure to watch to the end of this video so you can see Mama Fay, and make sure in the comments to say hello. She reads all of the comments, all of the messages, whether it's on our social media or here, and so please comment, say hello, and look forward to the videos that we're going to be starting tomorrow. Bye.
Come on in, man. This is a happy pre-birthday.
Thank
you.
I'm going to Hawaii.
This is actually a stripper. It's a stripper boa. So where is the pole? Uh-oh. Where are you going, in the fridge? Uh-oh. No. None of that. So here it is.
Wonderful. Thank you. No joke.
Uh-oh. Why are you crying? Huh? Just another birthday. That's alright. Just another birthday.
Okay, Mom.
Anyways, tomorrow's actually the day. But this is a good surprise because
It's a surprise.
it's a surprise. But that's what we're here today to do. We're going to celebrate your birthday. We're going to make some holiday sorrel. It's time to get that going. And so yeah. And they're both great. And we're going to make sorrel. So everybody, it's Mama Fay's birthday tomorrow, but we're celebrating today and we're celebrating tomorrow with our family. But thanks for watching, and I hope that whomever can make it today, and whoever's already registered for our master class, we look forward to seeing you at noon Eastern Standard Time. Bye.